Hey all you meal preppers out there, today we're using the toaster oven to make bread. Start by greasing your bread pan. I'm making honey oat bread today, so go ahead and coat the inside of your pan with oats. The inside of your pan is now ready. Stir together your flour and other dry ingredients. Flour, oats, other dry ingredients. In a second bowl, mix milk, oil, yogurt, egg, warm honey. Pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Don't overmix the dough or your bread will turn out tough. At this point, you'll want to preheat your toaster oven to about 375 degrees. As the oven preheats, pour the bread dough into the pan. Sprinkle some oats onto the top of your bread. The bread is now ready for the oven. Now that the bread's done cooking, I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes before removing it from the pan. Before I remove the bread from the bread pan, I'm going to pre-slice the top and stick it into the end of your bread. Depending on the size of your fork, I want the slices of my bread to be about 3 tines thick. Remove it from the pan. There you have it. Fresh pre-sliced bread for the week.